Hi, it's Tara, and I went to Hobby Lobby and I want to share my haul with you and give you some suggestions. So let's get started. I'll just go bag by bag. I don't even know like what got thrown in what bag, but we're gonna open it together. So we're just gonna go through this. I don't know what the staff person at the register put in what bag. So I'm gonna start with iron-on heat transfer vinyl. It is reduced to $3.99, or no, $3.49, even better. This is actually puff. So this is like a tie-dye pastel color. And I also got $3.49 this really super cute black and white check. Guess what it is? Puff heat transfer vinyl. Puff. I'm gonna have some fun making some crafts with this. And $3.49 pink check. Puff. Yes, puff heat transfer vinyl. It's got this cute pattern on it. Like I am so excited. Like I'm imagining, let's just say the word sweet. Okay, we're gonna have the word sweet with pink puff checked heat transfer vinyl in the middle of a shirt that's like oval shaped, and then you have like the word sweet cut out, and then let's say it's on a black shirt, so that pink's gonna be popping. Oh my gosh, yeah, like I have black on right now. Like look at how pretty that's gonna look. Oh my gosh. I have some ideas. I had ideas in the store. And the other is, check this out. These little keychains match. So these are customizable with vinyl. Now I have to tell you, I love that Hobby Lobby is now putting things in the section where Cricut stuff is that you can put adhesive vinyl. I mean, it literally is labeled personalized with your own custom vinyl designs. So sometimes we walk around the store and we're like just kind of winging it and hoping that the blanks that we get are going to work well with heat transfer vinyl and things like that. So this just so you guys know, they always come with like a protectant on it, so it might look a little foggy. It's because on both sides there's a protectant plastic on it. So make sure you guys remove that if you purchase these before putting in the adhesive vinyl on. So this is going to be super fun. Like I'll be able to make some sets of things as gifts, which I love. And then I have a cup cradle that is wooden. I love this cup cradle, okay? But the thing about it is it doesn't have any give to it, right? And it's just this one size. I love this, don't get me wrong. I think this is absolutely one of the best purchases I've ever made. But here, for $4.99, they have this pretty pink cup cradle. And it also comes with like a little squeegee or a scraper tool, whatever you want to call it. And the size of this, I think, is perfect for doing different types of, not just cups, but like ornaments, Christmas ornaments, rounded objects, different types of shapes that would fit nicely in here and be held while you're putting adhesive vinyl on it. So I picked this up. Love that. Okay, moving on. Next. Okay. This was $8.99 for the zipper pouch. And again, this is in the section where it's telling you that you can use these as blanks, personalized with your own custom vinyl or iron-on designs. It says that right on the tag. So iron-on or iron-on or vinyl. Okay, and then these, so I have a future ahead of me that I'm going to be doing something professionally different, and I'm possibly going to use these bags for that. So I'm going to start collecting some items, and I'm going to label these with heat transfer vinyl. So really nice. Let's see, how much are these? $6.99. $6.99. You guys cannot beat this. I mean, these are so nice. They're vinyl in the bottom, and then they also have vinyl on the inside, and then there's also, it's canvas. So I got those in 3 different colors. $6.99. Can't beat that. And then I got this. $4.99. Customized with vinyl or iron-on. So that's just canvas on the outside and inside. Love that. I've got this little mini one. Again, this says customized with vinyl or iron-on right on the tag there. $8.99 for this little mini. I don't know why it's more expensive with that little tiny one. Maybe because it has like a little key hook on there in the metal. I'm not sure. That's kind of weird. But anyways, and then I got this square. This is reduced. $2.24. This was on sale for $2.24. Again, vinyl or iron-on for this. And last but not least, I feel like I've been living under a rock. They have printable magnet sheets from Cricut. So they didn't have them at Michael's, but they had them at Hobby Lobby. Guess who's gonna make some magnets? This girl. Cricut has made their own product with printable sheets for magnets, and also I bought some printable for light fabrics, heat transfer vinyl. So that's it. That's my haul. I'm super excited. What kind of projects do you guys have in mind, and what would you like to see? I have lots of ideas. Thank you so much for joining me. It always helps benefit and spread this channel, or spread this video out if you just give a like, if you found some benefit or you enjoyed watching this haul Hobby Lobby video. And until next time, as always, please go and check out another one of my videos at Tara Howell on YouTube.